Welcome to Pravin Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar. Our college is affiliated by MSBT, Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education, recognized by DTE, Government of Maharashtra, and approved by AICTE, New Delhi. After completion of 10th, if you are looking for technical field, here it is, information technology or IT. It is a combination of two strong fields, that is computer technology and information. Faster communication over internet via chat, message, video call, etc. is possible due to information technology. Even in this lockdown period, the education system has been benefited a lot due to IT technology. Since IT technology is increasing day by day, the need of IT employer is also increasing. Hence, IT is everlasting field. There are total 60 seats of IT in our college. The duration of the course is 3 years. Scope of information technology. After completing information technology, you can opt job in private software companies such as TCS, Wipro, Infosys. You can also go for government software companies, or you can go for higher education BE BTech. You can also go for teaching and can start your own business and become entrepreneur. Work profile of IT engineers. They can be software engineer, developer, network engineer, system engineer, hardware engineer, support specialist. The vision of IT department. Some key points are producing quality students, achieving academic excellence by imparting depth of knowledge to the students. Mission of IT department. Some key points are exposure to latest tools and technologies, research based projects in emerging areas of technology. The subjects included in the first semester of IT course are English, Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics, Engineering Graphics, Fundamentals of ICT, Workshop Practice. The subjects from second to sixth semester are based on programming, electronics, network security, database and interdisciplinary. IT department has 10 computer labs with advanced infrastructure. Various activities carried during overall course are expert lecture, industrial visit, workshop, internship, placement, competition. Expert lecture carried in department on artificial intelligence and energy conservation. These are the various topics covered in expert lecture of IT department. Some of them are data science, need of electronics, digital marketing. Industry visit carried in IT department at MTNL and Light Tech Private Limited, Andheri, so that the student can experience industry working environment. Live Tech India Private Limited, Zuna Web, Globus, MTNL are the various industries visited by IT department. Workshops attended by IT students on machine learning and robotics. IT students after completing internship in Live Tech India Private Limited, Andheri. The industries in which students have completed the internship till now are Live Tech India Private Limited, Zunaweb, SQBE, Intershala, Discovery, Udemy. Students are placed in well-renowned industries such as Wipro, CMS, Amazon Logistic. Mr. Krishna Dayama, student of IT department, has set up his own business and has become an entrepreneur. State level quiz and paper presentation organized by our college to enhance students' technical talents and knowledge. Technical competitions held in IT department are, some of them are web page designing, pro coder, micro project competition. Achievements of IT department students. IT students are state level winners and won first prize in paper presentation from Zondare College. IT students also got third prize in quiz from Narsi Munji College. The IT student achievers has won trophies from different colleges for technical paper presentation, project competition, technical quiz. This is all about IT department. Willing to take admission? You can call on given contact number or visit given address. Thank you.